hello guys, welcome back to my channel, So this is Mr. P, today I'm actually just going to be showing you a crazy strategy, right? I call it a single bomb strategy, right? A single bomb entry. Now, people are used to trading maybe weekly or daily and just taking so many trades a day, right? They just take a trade and close and open another one and just like that. Why some they can actually open a single trade, wait for that day to end, and then the next day they take another trade just like that. Now, why some actually just take a trade for a month and just hold that trade for a month and just like that. Now, what I'm actually going to be showing is I'm actually going to show you a way to actually cut this stuff short, which is actually a single bomb, right? A single bomb entry is so that instead of you taking so many trades in a day, you can actually just take a single trade and that trade can hit your target for the day. Or instead of you taking so many trades for a week, you can take just a single trade for that week and that will hit your target for that week. So it just depends on what your target is. It just depends on what you want. So I'm just going to be showing you exactly how to go into trades like that, exactly how to calculate it and how to confirm the trade that this particular trade, when I go in, I'm making $1,000 straight from this trade. When I go into this trade, I'm making $500 on. When I'm going to this trade, I'm making $10,000 straight, without any without any fluctuation at all. But now I'm actually just going to be showing you exactly how to go into single bomb entries now. So let's check it out. So what we actually have in here now, I'm actually having a trade running currently. I took just a few trades because I was waiting to stack more trades in. You can actually just see the trades now. It's actually on 235, right? Actually on 235 at this particular spot. So we're actually having like 235 and 234 is just fluctuating around that spot. So I'm actually just going to show you how I actually went into this trade. Okay, so now what we actually have in here is this. Now normally or usually when people seek interest like this, they want to take on sales and the rest and hoping that okay, it's at the top so it should drop down the rest. But I actually did the complete opposite and I'm going to show you why. Now look at this particular spot. I'm actually looking at it from 15 minutes time frame. So let me go on 4 hours time frame to even make it a bit clearer. Let me go on 4 hours time frame to even make it a bit clearer. Now we can actually see this particular stop. This stop dropped down to this spot and then it hit my internals, right? It actually hit my internals, right? Now after that, after that it had so many fluctuations and so many bodies and the rest. And now I actually know that this guy is actually going to break out and push up. So what was I waiting for? I was waiting for just a tiny bullish engulfing, right? I was waiting for just a tiny bullish engulfing. Now I know that this guy actually has a tendency of pushing up, of course. This guy just has to push up, but maybe not too much. Maybe shouldn't push up and keep pushing up, but should push up to at about this spot. Okay, to at about this spot. I'm trying to adjust that. Okay, cool. To at about that spot, or what they calling it? Or to about this spot, right? Now this guy should actually push up to that spot. So I just waited for it to give me a nice bullish, or what they call it, a nice bullish engulfing. Now, if you go on your if you go back on your 15 minutes time frame now, what I'm actually saying is clearer there. Now, this guy also has a tendency of dropping, of course, and breaking below this, but then when we trade, we actually have what we call comparison, right? So we actually compare the possibility of something moving upwards or the possibility of something moving downwards. So we compare the two possibilities, and so far so good at this particular spot. This stuff should be pushing up. Now this is a good reason why this stuff should push up. Now this particular guy was actually dropping down. Of course, it's on a nice downtrend now, so we can actually see if we are okay. Let me adjust this. If we actually plot this guy like this now, we'll see that this downtrend that it's having, it's actually broke it and now it's trying to change the spots to push up. Now, in such a way that I can actually draw another guy at the spot, right? I can actually draw another guy at about this spot, from there. if I push this guy down, you should notice that what I call it is transcending into an internal. Now, at the end of the day, when I check out this guy and I check out this guy, both of them, they are telling me a nice breakout. So that what I just simply waited for, it pushed up, came back to retest the breakout, of course, just like it's supposed to do. After that, it completed and created a what I call it, a sub trend. Now, this sub trend that it created, what I was waiting for, I was just waiting for a nice bullish, and you don't see that bullish here. It's not showing here a bullish engulfing. You have to go on your 4 hours time frame to actually see that bullish engulfing, right? To actually see that bullish engulfing, and boom, I got the bullish engulfing. Now, if you notice from all I just said, I actually confirmed this stuff using different formations. First of all, this guy, my internals, cool. Secondly, I came here, I showed you on my I showed you on my 15 minutes time frame. I showed you on my 15 minutes time frame. Okay, just a second. I showed you on my 15 minutes time frame how this guy broke this this particular nice trend that is having here. That's this this basic trend that is here, and how this guy actually broke through the major trend that was here also. How it actually broke through the major trend, how it actually gave the retest, telling me that there is no possibility for any further retest now. Why? Because it has now started what I call a sub trend. Now I'm able to confirm this stuff using up to about 4-5 different different confirmations, saying that when you have up to about 4 confirmations, you check this, it's confirming, you check the second one, it's confirming, you check the third, it's confirming, you check the fourth, they are all confirming. It actually tells you that that would be what I call a sniper, right? That would be a crazy bomb that you are going to enter. Like if you are able to catch such a trade, that would be a crazy bomb. Now, if we check this particular stuff now, we should be having like 272 now, almost roughly 300 bucks that we're actually having here. I didn't go into so many trades because I was hoping that maybe this guy would drop down a little more, and when it does that, I will just stack more trades. But actually, it didn't do that. So it actually just moved a little, and it's pushing up. We can actually see that this guy is actually pushing up just like that. So we can actually see that there. So yeah, so that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. Yeah, so I was able to actually show you how to go into bomb entries. Now the stuff is this, guys. You don't have to take so many trades every day. Take so many trades. You just have to analyze through all the charts. Of course, what I just did, I'm just showing you directly what we're actually having on this place. I'm just showing you directly. But like this particular trade, I'm expecting nothing less than 2,000 bucks from this particular trade, this particular entry that I'm having, and it just started. You can see that it's just roughly 300 bucks. It hasn't even moved. I'm expecting at least 2,000 bucks from this particular trade. That's how what I call that's how a single bomb works, guys. You just have to track a perfect entry. You track the perfect entry. You go into the. It just requires patience, guys. You just have to wait. Just wait. It might take a few hours. It might take a few minutes. It might even take a whole day for you to make what you're supposed to make. In a whole week, you can make it within a day if you can just be patient. Just analyze. Wait for this entry, like this particular entry. I was waiting for it, and I'm even seeing now this stuff is over 300 bucks. It's heading towards 400 bucks now. So you can actually just see that's how this particular stuff goes, guys. You just have to you just have to be patient in the market, do your calculations right. Make sure you confirm it with not just one strategy. Make sure you confirm it with 1, 2, 3, and at least 4 different confirmations. Now, after the 4 different confirmations, boom. Just go in, guys. Just go in, and make sure you also use your risk management. You can see I'm actually using a 40, just roughly a 40 margin there when I'm having about 1.8k here. So I'm using just 40 margin to pick at least at least 2,000 bucks just within a few hours of waiting, guys. So that's just how this stuff goes, guys. Just remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and also remember to share this video and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any video that will be dropping from me, guys. Remember, I have different strategies that you can also use. You just have to you just have to check the playlist there and just watch the videos there. I have different strategies. I also have free robots and indicators that you can actually use to automate your trades, to actually trade professionally, just like that, guys. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. It's a bye for me, guys. I'm Mr. P, guys. Peace. So yeah, so these actually happened just after I was done with the video. So Like I said, the target for this stuff, the target for this particular stuff was what do you call it now? Was actually 2,000 bucks. So I told you that I just wanted to pick 2,000 bucks from this stuff, and boom, it actually hits the target just after a few hours after recording the video, just after a few hours after I was done with the video. Yep, this actually happened. So I just decided to just record it also, and just simply chip it in at the end of the video. So that's it, guys.